2021 NS Trailmodder 22. Back in the layout, as you can see, I'm working on cleaning up the floor here. I was working in this area here last night. Got everything like stacked up under there, like my pencils and stuff. I got pencils and pens there, markers for working on engines and cars, detailing. Spare box that I'm gonna put some stuff in, like my box of trees here. I got 2 boxes. Here's the other one, and then I got a fall, or not fall, Christmas one right there. Don't know what I'm gonna put on my scene that's Christmassy, but as you see, I was working on this area, or starting to, last night. Got my vests that my dad gave me. Conrail vest right there. Not trying to brag, but my dad worked for NS and he got me this stuff. Some of his old paperwork that he went to school in Georgia for, like the paperwork he took to Georgia. I got the rest of his paperwork over here. Try not to make you sick. Here's the rest of his paperwork right there and stuff. So, but I didn't get to this side yet. I'm gonna get to that probably tonight or tomorrow. My stomach's not been good this morning. I woke up with like a upset stomach, and I just was throwing up left and right. I was not feeling good. So after that, I slept into like 10 o'clock, and now it is 12:58 p.m. and I'm now getting to this video. I wanted to get to this video a little earlier, just because the holiday's tomorrow and I want to get stuff organized for my family to come over. But I'm set back with this video. This video might not go up until tomorrow, so I apologize. But in a previous video, I think it was the last layout update, this here and this was all a mess. So I'll cue that clip now. And as you could see, there was like cars over here, like intermodal cars, like double stack cars. And over here there was a whole collage or bundle of like covered hoppers. I picked the one covered hopper up to show you. But everything's cleaned up. That's what I was working on last night, or a couple nights before last night when I was doing this. Before I was doing the floor and stuff, I was working on this stuff. If you're following me on Instagram, I posted those photos on my Instagram. But as you see back there in the previous video, I had my OER train there. But I got all the intermodal stuff piled up there, or organized trailers, and then the containers. All my Easy Track is all stacked up neatly in stacks of 2. And I got like all my train cars here. The paints are there. Stuff I picked off the floor that was covered up by like pieces of foam. And I got extra pieces of foam here in case I'm building like a mountain or something, or need to raise a level of something. And I got all my locomotives here. So this is not all the locomotives. My NS Tier 4 is downstairs. Same with my UP 1943, my NS 1030, my 2 SC6Es, they're downstairs. Along with the 2 pink breast cancer units that I'm making downstairs in my room. But the coal that was over there is now over here. I got the wood stacked up there. Got the vacuum out, the shop vac, which is I recommend getting one of these shop vacs. They work real nice. And we had our roof replaced. As my camera goes out of focus, we had a hole in our roof going down through here, so we had it all replaced and stuff. And as you can see, there's like debris of like wood here, like little splinters and stuff, little wood dust, and there's more on the floor here. As you can see, like pieces of wood here, all down through here. And bigger chunks over here. But I'm gonna be vacuuming all this up, so I gotta do some trash cleanup because I got like McDonald's can over there, paper towels from using to clean the track up, a Mountain Dew bottle that I threw over there in a previous video a long time ago. I don't know what video it was, but I threw a Mountain Dew bottle over there. And over here in the corner down there, there's paper towels from when I had the plastic tables and I had to wipe the track away, or the drawings off the plastic tables. But some guy said in one of my videos, or a comment, that all I have is plastic tables and drawings and shit. Well, there's something called money. And I actually am an adult and I work for my shit and go to work to buy shit. So yeah, I only could buy what I could afford, and that at the time was those plastic fold-up picnic tables. But I upgraded now and I started building this bench work. So there's something called time and money, and you don't get stuff for free. You have to go out and buy stuff when you work at a job. So, and my mom told me, now that I'm an adult, my mom's not going to support me anymore, and neither is my dad. I'm an adult, now I gotta go to work every day and support myself with the money I earn. So, and that's what I've been doing. And that's why the layout's at a standstill, because I'm still earning money right now, and I don't have time to build like the flat parts on this stuff yet. So, but before I build the flat bench work on this, the first thing that's going to be done probably is this is going to get redone. But if probably not, if I can't do this, I'm probably going to do that stuff over here first, just because I'm gonna have to move this desk out. So, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Another reason why I did this video is to wish all my subscribers and followers on Instagram a happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys enjoy the holiday. Stay safe out there. Obviously don't drink and drive, because that's not what you want. You don't want to go to jail. But just have fun, enjoy family, and don't take anything for granted. And always be thankful for what you have in life, because there's some people out there that don't have the shit that you guys have. And always be thankful. So I'm gonna end this video here, and edit this and get down to finish helping my grandparents move stuff around for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So see you guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.